guys, so we are back, and today we're gonna be reviewing the Naima foaming hand soap tablets in Meyer lemon scent. So this is six pieces for $12.99, and I think you have to use a specific bottle because it says here uses the Naima reusable soap bottle, but I don't have that, so we're just gonna use the one that I have at home, which is the Dial empty bottle. So this is also a foaming hand soap that is now empty, and it says use a warm bottle use a warm water to dissolve it. Okay, so let's go open it and see what it looks. Oh my gosh, for a big box, this is all it has. I honestly hate when a company says we are eco-friendly and then uses a giant box with this much inside. You know, what a waste. You can just send a small box and then have this just like this, you know. Seriously, you guys have to rethink the way you package. Okay, anyway, with that said, let's go open one. So, opening one. So, I like the packaging. Oh, it's big. Big tablet. I wonder if I should cut these next time. But, oh, for the sake of our video, I think this is also an eco-friendly wrapper, which is nice. So fill up your bottle, it says. There we go. And then you will have to use a warm water. Okay, now we have to use a warm water. Okay, this is warm water. We're gonna go fill it up. There we go. And now it's supposed to fully dissolve. As you guys can see, it is kind of like fizzing. Not completely, but let me go put now the cover. Just because we need to go put it on. Alright. Do I have to shake it? I'm not sure what it says, but we're gonna go see from here. Okay, it says fill the bottle up with warm water, gently swirl, and allow the tablet to fully dissolve. Okay, so we're gonna have to gently swirl it. Gently. How gently is gently? I'm not sure. Okay, I don't have the patience though. This might take a long time because that thing is not dissolving as quick as I want. We're just gonna go swirl it. And just, is this even a swirl? I'm not sure. I'm in a tight area, so you guys can do better than what I'm doing. But it's pretty warm, so it should be like dissolving, right? Okay, let me just swirl it. 10 hours later, we're still trying to dissolve this thing. It's been 10 minutes and that thing is still not completely done. So while we are waiting, let me show you guys what are the ingredients of this tablet is. So you guys can see it's supposed to be lactose, fragrance, so pretty, and dye. I'm not sure what kind of dye they uses. I assume it's a pretty light since the color is not much, but I wish they state exactly what kind of dye they use. So I'm not sure if the box says more about it. So this is, I like that they show exactly Best Buy and then when it is created. And then what else can we, made in China. Oh, I thought this is made in US. It is distributed by New Mexico, from New Mexico, not by New Mexico. Okay, never use messy liquids. And a hygienic soap bar. Okay, better for you and the planet. I highly doubt that your box is saying the exact same thing because this is a big box, you guys, with a tiny pieces inside. Wasting cardboard. Okay, and so it's still not done. Almost 15 minutes. This is driving me crazy. So if you guys gonna do these, I think the one that they says that you can just swirl it lightly, it doesn't really make any difference at all because I have shake it rigorously at one point just because I'm getting tired waiting, and still it doesn't make any difference on how long this thing is dissolving. So you're just gonna have to really wait. I suggest that you just leave it there, put the warm water, and let it sit all day or at least half a day. And then just once it's done, you just swirl it to make sure all the ingredients is completely mixed inside. Alrighty guys, it's been 15 minutes and as you guys can see, it's not fully dissolved yet, which is driving me crazy. It says swirl lightly. I have shaken it rigorously and still doesn't make any difference. I followed it. They should put the exact temperature, but I make it warm as the instruction says. I'm not sure what I did wrong, but if you are like me who doesn't have patience for this, and seriously, who had the patience to wait that long? But anyway, I think if this is your first time using this one, just put it in a bottle, put the water, put the tablet and then the water and just let it sit in there. And then after half a day, just shake it and then it should be ready. Okay, now, since we don't have a patient for waiting, let me go shake it one more time. And then we're gonna see how foamy this thing is. Okay, let's go and try it. Okay. Ooh. It's not too foamy. I'm not sure how big that suggested bottle is, but for one dispensing, this is what it looks like and not fully dissolved. So there you go. And now let's go. Okay. Is it pretty nice and soapy? And now let me smell it. Very light lemon scent. Interesting. But I like the feeling of it as you wash your hands. Doesn't seem to be dry. Kind of like moisturizing, it seems. Like a little bit of lotion on it, which is nice. Okay, now I'm rinsing. Let's see. A little bit. It's not the typical soap I'm used to because it's a little bit slippery, it seems. Which is nice because it means it's not gonna go dry our hands, right? Okay, not drying at all, which is nice. Okay, now let me smell. Okay, very faint lemon scent. I'm not sure if that is the intention of it, but there you go, guys. Do I like it? I like that it is not as so much of a foam because then it's not gonna go take a long time for the kids to wash their hands and rinse it. I hate the fact that this thing is taking forever, and I also hate the fact that they use a big box. Well, it's not big box, but compared, as you can, I don't know if you guys know this bottle, but this is compared to these, it's crazy. They should think how they make these. It doesn't make sense how they says, yes, these are for eco-friendly, and then do this thing. Anyway, do I like it? $12.99 for 6 pieces. I don't know how long this is gonna take. I think next time I'm gonna go cut it in half and use because it's a bit too strong for me. And I don't know exactly how much is the suggested bottle for this, the amount of water. And since this, based on how I wash my hands, it's a bit too strong for it. It takes a long time and my hands still feel like soapy, as you guys can see that? And I hate wasting water. So there you go. Let's go rinse it again. So anyway, with that as said, will I suggest these? It's up to you based on what you see. Let me know in the comments down below. Will you buy it? Will you not? I'll be interested to hear your thoughts. And with that as said, thank you guys all for watching. Remember to subscribe to Two Kids in a Pod. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.